The thing we love about travel is just seeing how other people live. We love seeing different scenery. Obviously, living in Texas, we don't get the beautiful view of the ocean and the sunset that's here in Mazatlan. We've traveled all over the world using our LCID program in a lot of different ways. And we just love meeting different people, trying different foods of different countries, and we especially love Mexico. I've been a member of LCID since 2001, which is 15 years now. And the thing I like most about it is that we just feel like we're at home here. Sorry, I get emotional. But it's just a beautiful, beautiful place, and it's very relaxed for us. We feel very comfortable here, we feel safe, and we love to invite our friends to join us here.
We feel like Mazatlan is our second home. The thing that we enjoy so much here at the Marina Hotel in Mazatlan is that when we return every year, we're welcomed like part of the family. Everyone greets us about welcome home. The referral program at LCID has been great for us because it's given us the opportunity to invite people, friends and family.
A lot of people ask us, why do you like Mexico? Is it safe? What's going on there? So it's great for us to bring them down here and say, look, it's beautiful, it's safe, people are wonderful. And so far, we've had several people join because of that.
It's very simple and easy for our friends to be able to come down here, and we just had 2 couples last week. My wife and I would like to invite you to come to LCID here in Mazatlan and enjoy the tremendous resort that they have here at LCID in Mazatlan.